What is up YouTube? My name is Aditya and welcome back to my channel AKS Vlogs. I hope you guys are doing good. Today is the 8th day of my trading journey and things are going pretty good till now. As the days are passing by, the profits are increasing. Although I'm incurring a little of losses, but then it's a part of the game. And the only thing that matters is I have to be profitable at the end of the month. So without wasting much time, I'll walk you through the screen and show you my today's profits. That was around 7.5% of my capital. That's 1000, but my investment was only 400 rupees. So let's just check it out. I'll refresh the page. There we go. You can see the positions. I took two trades, one in HDFC and one in RECL Limited. So here you can see in HDFC I was able to pull off 23, and here in the other stock I was able to make around 52 bucks. That's 5% of my capital. So the total return is 75.9. I'll refresh the page again so that there's nothing manipulated here. You can see it's 75.9. Yep. Now I'll walk you through the returns that I got each day. That's starting from day one. So I do have it documented, but I cannot show the Excel sheet currently. So I'll just write it down in the notepad for you guys. So on day one, I was able to pull off 2%. Day 2 was 3%. So on the third day I made a loss of 4.6%. so till here my overall loss was only 0.04%, which is pretty cool because I haven't lost much of my capital. So on the 4th and 5th day I couldn't trade because of Mumbai rains. There was no electricity and there was no access to Wi-Fi, so I couldn't trade on the 4th and 5th day. So now on the 6th day, that's Monday, I again lost around like 5 rupees. So consider it to be let's consider it to be 1%. Alright, so on the 7th day I was able to pull off 6% returns. So that's the 7th day was yesterday. So I traded on Tuesday and I was able to pull off 6% of returns. And on the 8th day, which is today, I got 7.5%. So let's calculate my overall profits till now. So this was total of 5% of profits minus 4.6% of loss. That makes it 0.4% of loss. Then this is 1%, so 1.4%, and this is 6.6 and 7.5%. That makes it 13.5 minus 1.4. So I consider my profits to be around 12%. So which is pretty good. So last week was pretty rough, but this week is going pretty well. So as I have already achieved the target of 12%, so now what I am hoping is to make 20% this week itself, and then for the next week again I'll keep a target of at least 15%, and then for the 4th week as well it should be around 15%. So the total will actually make it 50%. That's my monthly goal, which sounds pretty achievable right now. So now what I'll do is I'll just walk you through my trades. Opening trading view currently. I'll just show you the trades that I've taken today. So the first trade that I entered was HDFC. Okay, so this is the higher time frame chart, as you can see. So I'll just move to the time frame on which I entered. That's 3 minutes. Okay, so I have worked on my entries a lot. So I can definitely say that I'm entering at the lowest point where the price actually starts reversing. So this was exactly my entry at 1806.55. Unfortunately, I did not take enough quantities, as it says 3 quantities, but I was only able to, I just took 2 quantities. So that's not even 2% of my risk. I was risking much lesser. And my target was this. So this was actually a 1:5 trade, but I did not held this trade long enough, and I exited exactly at this level where I saw that the price could eventually reverse, which is again a foolish mistake, and that's okay, right? That's okay. I'm learning. So hopefully when I'm trading with a larger capital, I actually catch this particular move, the whole move, which will help me to save my profits even when I make losses. Okay, so this was a 1:5 trade, but I only took around like 1:1 how much is this? 1:, almost 3, but still very unsatisfied, like very dissatisfied with this trade. Now I'll move to the next chart, that's RECL. Okay, again, this is the higher time frame, and from this level, this is the start of the day, and I was expecting the price to actually move up from this level, and the analysis was pretty much on point. And again, my entry was precise, and I got the entry at the lowest point, which is at this level. As you can see, I entered exactly at this level. My stop loss was here, so this was a 1:3 trade again, but I exited at this level, exactly at this point, which was still fine. And if you see, overall I am up by 7%. I should have been up by 16%, but I did not wait much for the trades to hit the target and exited early, which is a silly mistake. Like, when you're in profits, you let the trades run, and when you're in loss, you cut your losses short so that you do not lose more than your risk. Again, this was totally fine for this, as I'm up by 12% for this month, and my complete target is to be up by 50% by the end of this month. As soon as I'm done with flipping a 1,000 rupee account to a 1,500, as I've already mentioned in the previous videos, I'll increase my capital to 10,000 and then 50,000 and then 1 lakh, and we'll see how the journey goes on. By the end of this year, hopefully I'll be trading with 1 lakh capital, and hopefully things go good. So yes, these were my trades. I hope you guys are liking my journey. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff after this. I'm gonna add up a lot of stuff in my vlogs as well. I'm gonna start my fitness journey again and show you guys how I bring back the physique that I had before. Things are going pretty good, touch wood. So yes, we'll keep working hard, no looking back, as there's a lot to achieve. I do have a good feeling that I'll be able to complete this challenge very soon. So wish me luck, keep supporting, and comment down any feedback that you have for me, guys. I'll take your leave from here, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.